Oh, my fault, my fault.
Just mop the whole floor. It's a good plank right there.
I was trying to hold an angle.
Just mop the whole floor, bro. And do the whole map.
It's game over. Maybe like 30 minutes.
Where did you say it's at?
Beggs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I go. I'm from Fort Gibson, so I drive all over Fort Gibson. So we're going this way, I guess. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Oh, I know. It was too fast. There's one behind the pallet. He moved, he moved, he moved. This one right here. Oh, you guys know? Oh, you guys are bands, all right. Some kid's mad.
Yeah.
At the beginning, he was sitting behind a wall,
Yeah.
just like shooting like 5 shots around the wall every time. And so like I ran, I jumped like over his gun. Tommy goes, "That's how we're gonna play it? What the fuck is that?"
Like, yeah.
Oh,
Some people get hella butt hurt, man.
oh, I know.
One thing I have noticed about this place now is like no one blind fires, which is good.
Yeah, I could deal with crying. Bonfire I hate.
I know. I've noticed that. Like, I don't think I've ever been blind fired.
Oh, it's the worst. I've been blind fired in the forehead.
Oh yeah. I mean, sometimes you'll see somebody like this posted up, you know, like they ain't looking down their gun, but they aren't like
They can kind of
they
see.
can kind of see what they're doing, but they know what they're doing. But yeah, I've never had it.
No, I've had a kid just bluntly just around the corner just, and it's full auto too.
What? You need to what?
Clean it. Fire walking in. Watch fire. Over here.
Bang! Oh, we're on the same team. You're clear.
Let him mark. Let him mark. Head back to the respawn, bud. He called safety, which means you go to the respawn.
Did you shoot me?
You don't know where it came from, so go ahead and call it.
My own teammate shot me, but all right.
That's why I got it there.
you're saying yeah for, but okay. Hit. How did I not hit you? I'm out, bro. You're sitting right there and don't make no call.